In this tutorial, I'll show you how to switch to dark mode in Microsoft Word for Mac. Before we can use dark mode in Word for Mac, we first need to turn on dark mode in Mac OS. Once that's done, we can switch between a dark interface with a dark page or a dark interface with a white page. First, open System Settings, then select Appearance. In the Appearance section, choose Dark and then close the dialog box. Now let's move on to dark mode in Word for Mac. To switch between a dark page and a white page, select the View tab, then click Switch Modes as needed. Keep in mind, the dark page only affects how it looks on your Mac. Your document won't print with a dark background or appear dark on someone else's computer. Now, if you want to set Word to always or never use dark mode, go to the Word menu and select Preferences. In the Word Preferences dialog box, choose General. Under the Personalize section, select one of these options. Turn off dark mode. Dark mode has a dark page color, or dark mode has a white page color. Once you've made your selection, close the dialog box. And that's it. You've successfully turned on the white background for MS Word on Mac dark mode. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.